Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Mean.
What does the dictionary say?
The average of the numbers, a calculated central value of a set of numbers.
Math rap.
The mean is not your average math term. Of a set of numbers, it's the central value firm. Looking to find the mean? Here's a proposal. Add up a set of numbers, then divide by all the numbers in total.
Math rap.
What did the mean say to the average? I don't mean to be mean, but it's just who I am. I'm not your average. Explain the term mean in your own words. What do we mean by mean? What is the mean date in the month of July? What about February? Can you figure out the mean of this set of numbers? 7, 6, 6, 8, 9. Create 3 more math questions involving means. Share them. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!